Like, I've definitely met people in-game that I will be happy to call my friend.
Siege has changed my life. And not just Siege, but esports, communities, fans, and the people that I get to play with every single day.
Il y a vraiment un très petit écart entre les développeurs et le reste de la communauté.
Most of us, casters, pros, really, like anybody, it's not that hard to get into contact with. I feel like everybody in Rainbow it's really accessible.
You'll see developers, you meet them in-game and get to play with them. You'll meet the cosplayers and the artists at the events, and everyone always has time and a story to tell. So I'm really pleased that everyone not only cares about the game, but about the community as well.
I'm so lucky that I have some really tight fans and that I've known for a long time. And I know that they speak to a lot of people in Siege every single day. That's just a part of their lives. Just like you have a friend in school, you have a friend in Siege, and you just bond.
There was somebody in my own personal stream, and he mentioned that Pengu was his favorite player. We got him a signed jersey to give to him as a birthday present. And the look on his face when he got to meet Pengu and get that signed jersey is something that I will never forget. It doesn't matter how new or old of a player you are, being able to help connect the people who watch and experience Rainbow Six with other peoples in the community is a huge honor.
Tous les membres de la commune sont accessibles. Il y a très peu ou il n'y a même pas de joueurs qui ont la grosse tête. Ça a été hyper important pour moi de justement limiter au maximum ces barrières, d'être très proche du public et de rapprocher le public des viewers. Et je pense que ça joue aussi beaucoup sur la communauté qu'on a aujourd'hui qui a ce sentiment de ne pas être n'importe qui et de participer activement au projet.
If anything, I have my fans to thank for the fact that I do my job well. And I think every player, coach, support staff needs to start recognizing that fans build us up and give us the pinnacle that we have. This event specifically, I've probably spent maybe 6+ hours just sitting with fans, talking, discussing strategies, teaching coaching, analysis. Probably I want to spend more time with my fans than I do other competitive players because they've got new, fresh ideas and that's where I want to be.
Les devs sont là et ils sont très proches de la communauté. Eux, ils bossent de leur côté, la tête dans le guidon, et nous, on joue de notre côté. Et quand tout le monde se réunit, je trouve que c'est cool de venir au devant des devs. Au début, c'était premier contact un peu timide, un peu ah, je te connais, je te suis sur Twitter, c'est cool ce que tu fais et tout. Et maintenant, on se revoit aussi que 6 mois plus tard, on se prend dans les bras et on est trop content de se voir. Je me sens vraiment intégrée, j'ai l'impression que j'ai ma place ici et ça n'a pas de prix.
The community and the dev teams are really close in a way I've never seen on a game I worked on. It's really good for the production because we know what the fans want.
They always send us a lot of fan arts and different things that they're doing, and they're really showing their appreciation of the game.
All the fan art we get, we keep. We also have several walls of fan art in the studio that we switch out the art every so often to keep everybody inspired.
You come to this, you see other people with the same passion as you have. Some you might recognize, some you're just sat next to and you get talking to. This has brought people together all over the world with this shared, true passion. And that is something you can't replicate elsewhere. There are countless stories in this community of people meeting each other, staying friends, maybe being rivals when it comes, to action phase. But the rest of the time, this game has brought people together all over the world and it continues to do so. That's so special.